Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to do a simple band for your hat. So this ridged band is the one that I use in my Whyte Lake Toque. If you like this pattern, you can check it out in my Etsy shop. So let's get started. In this band, I have 6 stitches per row. I'm going to use the yellow just because it's easier to see on camera, and also a larger hook than I use in the pattern. So we're going to start by chaining 7. So you have 6 single crochets in each row. In all of the rows, we're going to be working in the back loop only, but in order to get 6 single crochets per row, we need to start by chaining 7. So yarn over, pull through, you have a chain 1, yarn over, and pull through, chain 2, yarn over, 3, 4, 5, 6, and our last one here is 7. So you can see I have a chain 7. The reason we chain 7 and not 6 is because in the first row I'm going to be starting in the second chain from my loop, or from my hook. So you've got the first chain and the second chain. So insert your hook into the second chain. And we're going to yarn over and pull through. We're just doing single crochets, 6 of them all the way across. I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. So once again, inserting my hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your chain doesn't twist. So you're holding it nice and flat, inserting my hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through. So I've done 3 single crochets. I'm going to keep going. So we have 4, and then we're going to do 5, and 1 more. Our final one is 6. So we have 6 single crochets in our first row. At the end of every row, we are going to chain 1 and we're going to turn. So from now on, we're going to be working on our back loops only. So if you look at the top, you can see we have our front loop and our back loop, our front loop and our back loop, front loop and the back loop. So the front loop is the loop that's closest to you, and then the back loop is the one that's behind you here. It's easier to see if you look at it from the top. We are going to insert our hook into the back loop only, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through. Got 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through both to complete my single crochet. So it's just a single crochet working in the back loops only. Look at it from the top, find your back loop, insert your hook under just that 1 loop, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. So we're going to keep doing that all the way across. Insert your hook into the back loop only. We're going to be doing 6 single crochets working in the back loop only in every row. We're going to keep doing this until we have 60 rows in total. If you're doing my Whyte Lake Toque. If you're making your own hat band, the number of rows that you do in total will depend on the size of the hook you're using, as well as how thick your yarn is. You can always measure it up with your own hat and make it as big as you need to. So we're at the last stitch here. We're at the end of the row. Once again, you yarn over and turn. So it's that easy. You just do single crochets. You're working in your back loop only. You can make your band as wide or as narrow as you want, depending on how many stitches you do per row. And then when you finish your band, you can just use the slip stitch to join it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel.